Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to withdraw money from Z-League. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. Start by logging into your Z-League account using your credentials. This typically involves visiting their website or using their mobile app. Once logged in, navigate to the section of your account where you can manage withdrawals or funds. This might be labeled as withdraw, cash out, transfer funds, or something similar. Choose the withdrawal method you prefer. This could include options such as bank transfer, PayPal, e-wallets, or other payment methods supported by Z-League. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw and any additional details required for the selected withdrawal method. This may include providing your bank account details, PayPal email address, or other information. Review the withdrawal details to ensure they are correct, then confirm the withdrawal request. Follow any additional prompts or security measures required by Z-League to complete the withdrawal. After confirming the withdrawal, Z-League will process your request. The processing time can vary depending on the withdrawal method chosen and the policies of Z-League. Once the withdrawal is processed successfully, you should receive a confirmation message or notification from Z-League. This may include details such as the withdrawal amount, transaction ID, and expected time frame for receiving the funds. Depending on the withdrawal method, the funds should be transferred to your designated account. Verify that you have received the money in your account. So that's basically how you can withdraw money from Z-League. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.